Hi everyone, this is Cindy at Create the Heart, and I the projects that I made with my Pinkfresh Studio Holiday workshop, virtual workshop. So I did share the cards that I made using Bauble Suite. Move that over to the side here. Now I'm going to show you this one. The main focal point is this, which is the berry branch, and I absolutely love this card. I love how the softness of it. This was done in sort of teals with gray, and I just really love that. Joy of the season, and it's just really, really pretty, and just a really subtle background using that kaleidoscope stencil. Really liked that one. And then this was the, did I do two? Oh, no, it's background. Oh, here's the other one. I'm like, I know I made two cards. Here's the other card that I made in the class. And so again, we did the kaleidoscope background. This one is done with the pink. And then this was done with a more traditional green and pinks. And then we did the season's greeting. Looks like I lost my little bauble that goes there. I have to put a bauble there. We did the pearls, and I just really like how that one came out. And then this was the make and take. So, you know, they have these separate little make and take videos and directions that you could do on your own. And so how I did this one was did I stamp it? I think I stamped it in black, I think. I used the stencils, and then I cut it out, and then I stamped it out again on vellum, gold embossed it, cut that out, and then just layered the vellum on top of the stenciled image that I did. And it just gives a really pretty look. And then I have this vellum with gold embossed sentiment, and it just looks really pretty. And so it's got that snowflake cover plate in the back, and then just the back's all white. So it just looks very elegant, actually. And then the snowflakes, so I use snowflakes here and there because we use them, you know, here and there. But for the card, we made this card right here in which we used the snowflakes as sort of a background, so kind of layered them on the back. And so we have like gold paper underneath the cover plate, and the cover plate we ended up, you know, cutting with one of the other dies that we had in there, and we just did some color on there. And then here's like a layered snowflake, and then here's a vellum image. It's the most wonderful time of the year. So I really like that one. It's really pretty. I love the colors. And then the other one that we did was like a joyfold card. And we just kind of layered pieces of that snowflake panel for the background, and just layered a bunch of different snowflakes on there, so it's got a lot of dimension. I think I did vellum snowflakes along with white snowflakes, and then the gold embossed word "Joy to the World." But that one's really pretty. So I got a head start on my Christmas cards. And then here is the really simple, I think, but still very pretty, make and take, which was just basically cutting the 3 snowflakes and then layering some color on top of them, and then just kind of putting them on top of the pieces that you see here with the little gold pearls, and then the Merry and Bright. And then the other suite, the last one was, oh yeah, it was this one. This one right here, this background stamp. So the background stamp, let's see here. These are the cards that we made for the class. So there's this one right here, just done very softly. So this one was stamped in a gray and then stenciled over that. And so kind of a simple, sort of elegant card. And then this was like a 2-for-1 because we basically gold embossed the background, and then we cut it at an angle, which gave us a possibility of using 2 pieces for the card, making 2 cards, which I did. And then we have our gold snowflakes and then our red words, and really pretty. So we did those. And then here is the make and take, which I really enjoy doing the make and take. So this one I really liked. So just I stamped it in black, and then I went ahead and stenciled, and I used different elements from that kit, you know, cutting the dies and so on, layering a little bit of color. And then I cut my snowflakes out of a glitter paper. So there's some shine there. And then I added the pearls, and just love how it went. So these are all the cards that I made. So it was a lot of cards, you know, and then I wanted to finish the make and takes before I actually presented them to you guys. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cards. So I got 14 Christmas cards already made. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy Craig the Heart.